Chapter 3 Basic Media. Images embed. The embed element is a crucial HTML element used to embed images into web pages. It's an empty element, meaning it doesn't have a closing tag, and its content is specified through various attributes. 1. Embed basic syntax. 2. Embed essential attributes. src source. The src attribute specifies the path to the image file. This is the most important attribute for displaying images. Required, yes. Values can be a relative path, absolute URL, or data URI. Supported formats: JPG, PNG, GIF, SVG, WebP, AVIF, etc. Alternative text. The alt attribute provides alternative text for an image if it cannot be displayed. This is crucial for accessibility and SEO. Required, yes, for accessibility reason. Purpose describes the image content for screen readers, search engines, and when images fail to load. Best practices: be descriptive, concise, and relevant. 3. Embed additional common attributes. Width and height. These attributes define the dimensions of the image in pixels. Purpose helps browsers allocate space before loading, preventing layout shifts. Note should be used with caution as they can distort images if not proportional. Title provides additional information about the image when hovering over it. Purpose shows tooltip text on mouse over. Note not as important for accessibility, but useful for user experience. Loading controls how images are loaded, lazy loading. Values auto lazy eager. Purpose improves page performance by deferring non-critical image loading. src set and sizes. Used for responsive images that adapt to different screen sizes and resolutions. src set provides multiple image sources. Sizes defines the intended display size of the image in different scenarios. Cross-origin controls how the browser handles cross-origin requests for images. Values anonymous use credentials. Purpose used for CORS, cross-origin resource sharing handling. Referrer policy controls what information is sent in the referrer header when fetching the image. Values no referrer, origin, unsafe URL, etc. 4. Image formats and best practices. Modern image formats. WebP, modern format with better compression than JPEG PNG. AVIF, next generation format with excellent compression. SVG, vector format scalable without quality loss. JPEG, best for photographs. PNG, good for graphics with transparency. Optimization tips. 1. Choose appropriate format. Use WebP or AVIF for modern browsers, JPEG PNG for compatibility. 2. Compress images. Reduce file size without sacrificing quality. 3. Use responsive images. Implement src set and sizes attributes. 4. Lazy loading. Implement loading equals lazy for better performance. 5. Accessibility. Always include descriptive alt text. 5. Embed accessibility considerations. 1. Always provide alt text. Even decorative images should have empty alt equals attributes. 2. Descriptive text. The alt text should describe what the image conveys. 3. Context awareness. For complex images like charts or diagrams, provide detailed descriptions. 4. Alternative content. Consider providing a text alternative for complex visual information. 5. Screen reader compatibility. Ensure images are properly announced by screen readers. 6. Embed SEO benefits. 1. Image optimization. Proper alt attributes help search engines understand image content. 2. File naming. Use descriptive file names that include relevant keywords. 3. Structured data. Combine with schema.org markup for rich snippets. 4. Page speed. Optimized images improve loading times and SEO rankings. 7. Embed troubleshooting common issues. 1. Broken images. Ensure correct file paths and permissions. 2. Loading delays. Use lazy loading for better performance. 3. Display issues. Specify width and height to prevent layout shifts. 4. Accessibility problems. Always include descriptive alt text. 5. Responsive issues. Implement src set and sizes for different devices. 8. Project additions for the chapter. Here is the updated My First Post HTML file. You'll create a new image file, IG, code image, PNG. This is the media file that will be displayed on the page. The My First Post HTML file is updated to include the im tag. This tag embeds the image into the blog post. It uses the SRC attribute to specify the location of the image file and the alt attribute to provide a text description for accessibility. 9. Image element questions. 1. What is the purpose of the alt attribute in HTML images, and why is it important for accessibility? 2. How does the SRC set attribute improve website performance and user experience compared to using a single image source? 3. What are the differences between width and height attributes versus CSS width-height properties when setting image dimensions? 4. Explain how lazy loading works with the loading equals lazy attribute and what benefits it provides. 5. What are the advantages of using modern image formats like WebP or AVIF over traditional JPEG PNG formats? 6. How should you handle decorative images that don't convey meaningful information to users? 7. What is the difference between cross-origin equals anonymous and cross-origin equals use credentials attributes when loading images? 8. Why is it important to specify both width and height attributes for images, and what problem do they solve? 9. How can you provide different image sources for different screen sizes using SRC set and sizes attributes? 10. What are the SEO implications of proper image optimization, including the use of appropriate file formats and descriptive alt text?
Subscribe and share the video for more.